deg-degan, bahagia, senang, semuanya campur jadi satu.
Tapi mau minta cantiknya ya? Nggak cantiknya kok. Ini tempat paling berkesan kalian berdua ya? Kalian tahu nggak ya? Iya.
Ini teman-temannya. Hai. Jahat kali. Malu guys saya. Bang, gua udah pucat, belum bisa kabur. Bang, gua udah pucat, belum bisa kabur. Bajan bo.
Bayan mo lagi? Bayan muli. Ha?
Marry your daughter, make her my wife. Want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I ever seen. I can't wait to smile. She's been hearing steps since the day that we met. Scared to death to think of what could happen if she'd ever left. So don't you ever worry about me ever treating her bad. I've got most of my vows done so far, so bring on the better words. Until death do us part, there's no doubt in my mind. It's time, I'm ready to start. I swear to you with all of my heart, I'm gonna marry your daughter.
Semoga lancar sampai hari H ya. Semoga abangnya cepat pulang, cepat jemput Windanya.
Semoga Abang Rizky-nya setia terus ya sampai akhir.
Amin.
Iya, bahagia selalu selamanya sampai hari akhir nanti.
Semoga Kak Winda bahagia terus. Semoga bisa nyusul Kak Winda.
I swear I knew, I say I do. I'm gonna marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be.
Selamat ya buat kakakku, belahan jiwaku. Sekarang udah nemuin tulang rusuknya. Semoga bahagia dunia akhirat.
I die. I'm gonna marry a princess, make her my queen.
Selamat Winda, akhirnya dilamar juga ya sama Bang Rizky.
Semoga lancar sampai hari H.
Semoga jodoh dunia dan di akhirat.
Lulus UKDI, one shoot, nikah tahun ini ya.
Oke. Happy engagement Winda.
I'm gonna make